So you had been trading for 8 years. You were to start again from zero, what would that look like?
First thing that I would do would be start aggressively saving. So I wouldn't put any money in the market. That's the first mistake people make. Second thing that I would do is find like a simple process that you have conviction that works. Put the stats in, test it, see how it's going while you're saving the money on the side. While you're saving money, you move into paper trading. So now you're doing the executions, but you're trying that same exact process. You're tracking all of your information until you know that your machine is working, the business model is working. Then you're taking the money that you're saving and you're applying this with small amounts of money in the real markets. Then once you have that process and you're profitable on a small amount, then you decide on how you compound. Once you start compounding that process, and now you have this machine that you can scale basically infinitely, and then it's just about refining that.
So you
Yeah, I mean, fair. That was actually a really good video. If you can't have the discipline to save, you're probably not going to have the discipline to be a good trader. I would say the only slight things that I would add is like I wouldn't put that money in a savings account. I would put it in the market, at least in like the SPY index or something, because what are you even doing in a savings account, right? Even if you just throw it in bonds or something, put it in something that is not a savings account, because that money is actually losing value rapidly. The other thing I would probably add is also understand that you could have the best strategy in the world, and as soon as you apply having to control your psychology to it, you can literally make no money. So paper trading is not the same as actual trading, because when real money is involved, that's when you're dealing with the actual emotions. That's when you're dealing with the actual execution, and that's when things can go awry. So the process isn't in there. When we talk about infinite scaling, you also have to adjust to do slow adjustments, slowly build up the size of your trades, because again, it's the psychology there is going to play a huge role, right? And as you deal with bigger and bigger numbers, your psychology is going to be a lot harder to manage. So slowly work up your tolerance to that. Overall, though, I mean, great video.